I was just starting out my career in healthcare marketing. I wanted to learn how to grow, how to meet people, really dig into my career. I was introduced to SHSMD by a friend on my team. I did a bit of research about the organization and joined right on the spot. Marketing, public relations, and planning were beginning to merge, and I wanted to speak to individuals like myself who would soon have to wear multiple hats. I knew SHSMD was formed in anticipation of a changing industry, and after joining, I was immediately connected to a diverse network of forward-thinking healthcare professionals that were eager to help me transition through this change too, which was great. When I first joined, I was one of several hundred who went to SHSMD's annual conference. Now I'm one of thousands. With more members at each conference, there's also been an expansion in exhibits, vendors, breakout sessions, and most importantly to me, conversation. Each conference seems to be better than the last, a place where I can learn strategies that encourage my hospital to keep getting better and better. These professionals, in a short amount of time, became my advisors, listeners, and most of all, supporters. I began to interact with SHSMD in a more strategic way, and as my career progressed, I started attending events specifically created for senior execs that had grown to have different needs in the organization. SHSMD's Thought Leader Forum at the annual conference and the Executive Dialogue meeting each spring were developed for those like me who were now in more senior roles. These meetings were places for me to explore and further refine my leadership skills, which helped advance my role. Being part of SHSMD means that when challenging situations arise, I can quickly reach out to other SHSMD members. I really appreciate how SHSMD helps me stay informed about what's relevant to my job through newsletters, webcasts, and reports that are all easily accessible online. One of my favorite reports is Future Scan. It's a great way to start my year and helps me keep others in my organization aware of future trends. I've always enjoyed checking out the latest job postings, financials, or department information from hospitals like mine. Then I was completely amazed with the report on the future of our profession, Bridging Worlds, which includes innovative approaches from outside of healthcare. I use it to look at the competencies of my team and look to it for my own skill development. No matter what, SHSMD always strives to stay relevant in a field that is in constant flux. These long-lasting and inspiring relationships that I made within SHSMD are the reason I'm eager to introduce the organization to my staff. I treasure every experience I've had during my many years with SHSMD, and I look forward to watching my team have the same transformative experiences that served as invaluable influences on my career.